Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your site with GoDaddy Managed WordPress detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your site using GoDaddy Managed WordPress, log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to your product page. Find the Managed WordPress section. Click on Manage next to the site you want to back up. In the site dashboard, locate the Backups option in the left-hand menu. Select the Backups tab. You will see a list of available backup options. Choose the date of the backup you wish to restore from. If you want to create a new backup, click the Create Backup button. Confirm the backup process by clicking Create Backup again on the prompt. Wait for the backup process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once finished, you will receive a notification that the backup has been successfully created. Review backups regularly to ensure your site is protected. You can also download the backup files for your records. To download, select the backup from the list and choose the download option. Keep your backup files in a secure location. Monitor your site's performance after restoring or backing up. This ensures that everything works smoothly. Your site is now safely backed up with GoDaddy Managed WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.